Hey everyone, we got something very excited to show you. We just received the entire upgrade kit from GPN, a Ukrainian-based company that makes amazing stuff for UAKs from 7075 aluminum. And you can find all of this on akguys.com, a website where you can go and find any upgrades that you want for your AK type rifles. Alright, well, let's see what we got on the table. We're gonna do a quick overview of everything is here, and we're gonna later do a video of us upgrading this Saiga to all of the new components and take this to a next level. Alright, box one, we got a front handle, nice M-lock attachment. We'll go to that later. Oh, this is very exciting. Wow. This looks super good. Alright, this is a front handguard. First of all, we're gonna do an entire review of each individual item. We'll go in details of everything. But from a first impression, it feels very good. Now, for my relationship with the AK guys, we met last year at Kalash Bash, and I immediately looked and understood that this is something that I want to have on my AK. If you go down in our videos, you'll see that we built one of our Krings with this setup as well, and now we're gonna do the upgrade on the Saiga. Very nice quality and feels very light. So this is the handguard. As you can see, the gas block and the furthest part of a gas block also covered, so you don't burn your hand, and have a nice C-clamp. All right, let's go forward and see what else we got. There's a lot. Whoa. First of all, the one thing that I want to notice as well, the quality is extremely nice. The machining, the aluminum, the feel in the hand. So this is a foldable stock. And let's see if I can actually fold it without touching it. Yep, there we go. So you can see it folds. And you can adjust the cheek rise. You can adjust the length of pull. But again, subscribe to our channels. We're going to do an in-depth review of every single item that you see on the table. And we're going to show you the installation on all of them. All right, I don't know, actually, don't know what this is. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. Yeah, I cannot explain it to you in a video right now before we're gonna do a full review and a close-ups. But man, the machining and the tooling is so nice. All right, and of course, this is just a dust cover already with the Picatinny. So you can input any optic sights on top of it, and a way to tie it, I guess. Well, again, we'll review and we'll see how exactly that works. But man, this is exciting. Okay, so this is just a first look. Subscribe. We're gonna take this Saiga to a completely new level, show you how to install everything step by step, explain if it's hard or easy. And again, if you want to upgrade your AK, go to akguys.com and pick anything up from there.